Hi everyone. Welcome back to Radical TechMart. Today we are talking about one of the most popular and trusted models from WIKA, the A-10 Pressure Transmitter. From OEM machines to large industrial systems, this model has become an engineer's favorite for its accuracy, durability, and value for money. Let's find out why the A-10 stands out from the crowd. The WIKA A-10 is a compact 420 mA pressure transmitter designed for both OEM and process applications. It features a stainless steel housing, a welded pressure diaphragm, and a standard M12 or DIN electrical connector. This transmitter converts system pressure into a proportional 420 mA current signal, ideal for long-distance transmission with minimal signal loss. Typical pressure ranges include 0 to 10 bar, 0 to 25 bar, 0 to 100 bar, and up to 600 bar, depending on your process requirements. Let's see how it works. The A-10 uses a piezoresistive sensing element that changes its electrical resistance with applied pressure. An internal signal conditioner amplifies this tiny change and converts it into a stable 420 mA output. At zero pressure, the output is 4 mA. At full-scale pressure, it's 20 mA. This linear signal makes it compatible with PLCs, DCS systems, and all standard process indicators, ensuring smooth integration into any industrial setup. Here are some key highlights of the A-10. Output signal, 4 to 20 mA, 2-wire system. Accuracy, up to ±0.25% of span. Temperature range, 40 degrees Celsius to plus 100 degrees Celsius. Excellent vibration and shock resistance. IP65 or IP67 protection depending on connector type. Pressure connection options, a quarter, BSP, a quarter, NPT, and others. This combination of compact design and rugged build makes the A-10 suitable for continuous industrial duty. Wiring is very simple. For the 2-wire configuration, brown wire, positive supply, plus 24 VDC. Blue wire, output signal, 4 to 20 mA return. Always use shielded cables for long-distance runs to reduce electrical noise. Mount the transmitter vertically on the pressure port and tighten with the correct wrench size, not from the housing. Once powered up, check your display or PLC to verify linear current scaling. The A-10 is used across industries. Hydraulic power packs and presses, air compressors and pneumatic systems, machine tools and OEM equipment, water treatment and process automation panels. Its compact body and high repeatability make it a preferred choice for panel builders and equipment manufacturers worldwide. To summarize, the WIKA A-10 pressure transmitter delivers high accuracy and reliability, compact size for OEM use, robust stainless steel design, cost-effective performance for all industries. If you are looking for a trusted 4 to 20 mA pressure transmitter for your next automation project, WIKA A-10 is the perfect fit. For genuine products, ready stock, and expert support, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today.